In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Webflow, a process that should take just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Webflow or simply need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through each step so you can adjust your images with confidence. First off, you'll want to head to your favorite web browser and search for Webflow. Once you've located the site, simply click on the Login or Sign Up button. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and you'll be ready to dive in. If you're new to Webflow, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Webflow usually makes this process straightforward and easy to follow. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in the Webflow workspace. From here, you will need to select the specific website you'd like to work on. If you have multiple projects, be sure to pick the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Next, when the designer interface loads, look for the image element that you want to resize on the canvas. You might have to scroll around a bit to find it, depending on the layout of your page, but once you do, give it a click. This selection is crucial as it brings up the necessary tools for editing. With your image selected, glance over to the right side of the screen where you'll find the Style panel. It's packed with options for adjusting various design elements, but for now, we are interested in the Size section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can adjust the width and height values of the image quite easily. You'll also see options to choose the unit of measurement that suits your needs, whether that be pixels, percentages, or another unit. Pixels are generally a safe bet for precise control, while percentages can be handy for more flexible designs. If you'd prefer a more hands-on approach, Webflow offers an alternative method. Click on the corners of the image and simply drag to resize. While this can be a quicker way to get the desired dimensions, be mindful that uneven adjustments might distort your image. Always remember to check how the image looks in relation to other elements on the page to maintain a professional look. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, resizing images in Webflow becomes a quick and easy task. This flexibility allows you to design stunning, responsive web pages that look great on any device. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.